Fuck.
This like day number 3. Last post that I got for y'all actually a website. It's called Radio Free website. Once you click the website, you just go to continue. You could click any country in the world at any time. So 1900 all the way to 2070. But you could click any country in the world and it will play like a random sample from them. I can already tell you right now, go to Japan. This is the free account. You can't like fast forward and shit like that. So usually what I do is if I find like the sample I like, I just go to YouTube, type in the song. I got this sample right here that I found earlier off this website. That right there solid. I'm gonna record that into the MPC. So we're gonna pick a 808. That joint hard. OB1.fun, radio, O, how many O's it is, and OBXD. Make sure you go to Julian website, get the free patches. But that's a whole bunch of little free sauce for y'all. Bro, all I ask in return, hold on, all I ask in return is just like, comment, and subscribe, bro. All you gotta do is like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, then comment, bro. I don't care what you comment, bro. You can comment the good, comment what you don't like. You know what I'm saying? Mutual respect, bro. Help me out, bro. Help me out, bro. All the links in the description. So obviously in the video, there was some NPC cookup in there. I've been playing around with the NPC for like a month and a half. So if you want to see more, here's the NPC cookup that I posted, my last video. Make sure y'all go watch that. All right, I'll see you later.